Hi, welcome to Small Trades. I'm going to quickly go over some of the trades we've done today. Quickly open it up for you. All right, so first thing we did was the opening range trade, ORB. When the market starts going a certain direction, you just follow that direction, all right? Sometimes ORB trades are very tricky, and you have to go with the flow, and you have to have a lot of practice and feel where the market is going. So today the market actually kind of looked like it was trying to go up, but prior to the market open, I was able to draw out the pattern. I wanted to see what the market was actually trying to do, and I noticed this bear flag. Right, it was bear flagging. Right, continuation of this downtrend here. So we went down, bear flagged, down, bear flag, down again. And we were stuck in this consolidation here. So I was looking for market to break out of this consolidation to go up, but it was just kept getting dragged down. And I saw it started to break below this line here of support, and I had to go short. So my ORB trade was this short right here. This is on my funded futures account. I've been trying to get consistent with this account now. Take less risk, small trades here. And so I went short here real quick. Just quick winner right here. Boom. Very small trade here, but very effective. And I figured, well, let me do it again. And I did it again. Price came up again, and I did it again. So I did it 3 times. 3 times I did my ORB trade, which is very nice, all right? And then I was able to do another trade right here. So when I was waiting for the price to break this low they created, I figured if it breaks, then it's going to go flash down a little bit. So that's what I did. I placed my stop sell order right here. Price just went down, and I got my quick win right here. Doesn't look like much, but I don't need much. It adds up real quickly. All right. So and then I figured, well, I would expect another drop. But instead of going short here, I figured let me try to catch it a little bit, catch it as a break. So I took it right below here, and I set another order right here. I think I had my levels drawn out here. So here's another level, and I had another level. And I basically went long here, and I closed down this trade, and that's pretty much it for this account. I reached my goal of $640 for the day, and that was it. All right, so let's switch over to other accounts to see how we did there. All right, so we also traded take profit trader accounts, roughly somewhere on average about 200 or so per account. That's all we needed to do. These are small 25K accounts, so I don't need a lot to make my daily to meet my daily target. So again, here we were looking at this channel. So once the price sort of normalized, it was sitting in this channel. I took some scalps here. So again, it was touching the top of the channel. I shorted here, short, did another short here, did another short here, another short here. So pretty successful. And in maybe 5 or so minutes, I was done with this account. And to top it off, I reached my $26,500 minimum to pass this account. So it looks like we passed this account. So this is going to be turned into a pro account. We dipped at the bottom of the channel. I went long, long. So 2 longs right here. Then here again, this channel was drawn out. We went long here, so we had 1 pullback, 2 pullbacks. I put 2 minis for the breakout trade. 1, 2 closed, so we went long. 2 minis closed first and second. Got our 5-10 points there. Also caught another long here towards the bottom. This was a trap, so I placed an order right below this candle. Caught this quick win. Obviously, in the hindsight, this looks much better if I had held it for a little longer. But today was a very strange market. We have rollover going on. The futures are expiring. So, here you see this price just drop 30 points very quickly. And this could definitely get you stuck in a trade that you don't want to be in. All right, so you have to be very careful. Tomorrow we have interest rate decisions, so I had to play very carefully. Just quick scalps, small trades. That's all it takes to get big wins. And you know, similar story on this account where where I caught some of these long trades as we were coming to the bottom of this channel, and I caught some longs here, caught another long here. As we broke out, we had 1, 2 pullbacks, and then I went long here on 1 mini. See, here I didn't hold it for that long, and I'm happy I didn't, because look at this drop right after that. This was a very fast drop. Okay, so you know, these are the levels I drew out, and it looks like Nasdaq respected them pretty well. At least the first level here, it hasn't reached to the other ones yet, but it respected and bounced off of this level. All right, let me quickly show you some of the levels here, okay, that I've drawn out on Quantower. That's where we traded next. For the Apex accounts, we were only able to get to 4 accounts. The market is just moving very slowly today, and it just got really just died out right here, right? As you can see, just kind of, I've indicated some of the levels here. We had level 1, 2, and you know, I certainly was expecting to buy down here, but Nasdaq only reached this point. It bounced from here. I realized it was respecting this level, so you know, I traded within this area, and then it started bull flagging right here. So I started getting in at the bottom of this bull flag. I was able to capitalize on that. I was also, you know, hoping for Nasdaq to come down here so I could, you know, get more from the market, but it just wasn't going down anymore. It just stopped and just kind of started grinding up slowly. All right. Okay, so here are the total numbers for today. We have traded, again, out of 17 accounts, we traded what? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 accounts. 13 accounts out of 17. So not too bad, okay? So we traded a few more accounts, and that certainly shows up in our total P&L. Even though let's say with Topstep, we made a little bit more yesterday and a little bit less today, we were able to get more in the end because we traded more accounts. And this is what we talk about here on this channel, about, you know, scaling out horizontally, where we trade more accounts with small wins. It all adds up into bigger gains. Okay, so the total for today was $3,932, and it was a pretty successful day, I'd say. So all in all, I'm very happy. Tomorrow will be interest rate decision day, so be careful. Volatility is very likely to pick up, and watch out with take profit trader accounts, because I know they don't allow to trade red folder events such as tomorrow, such as the interest rate decisions and any of those FOMC events. So definitely be careful. Thank you for watching my recap at Small Trades. I appreciate you watching. Please tune in tomorrow for my live stream where I trade prop firm accounts live on YouTube. I will start broadcasting at around 9:30 a.m. or a little bit after that, depending on the market movement. But generally by 10 a.m. you could see me live on YouTube. Please subscribe and like the channel so you could get more information and see our setups. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.